Okay, so I'm going to start casting sidewalk chalk. So these are molds that I printed earlier. And what I hope to do is use plaster Paris. And I'm just going to do the same thing I did with the cement and mix it in the bag. It's 2 parts plaster, 1 part water. I'm going to pour this in and cast it. This has to set, it says it hardens enough to tool in about 10 minutes. So for a couple of these, it's actually 2 things of powder should be just enough. And then I'm going to let it sit overnight, see how it comes out tomorrow. In doing some research, you could actually get just regular puff paint or poster paint and mix that in. So I'm going to try and see if I can get a nice blue sidewalk chalk with this. So yeah, just washable kids paint or temper powder. You just have to remember that if you have a liquid paint, that goes into the formula for the mix, so you have to account for that. So mix your paint and powder first and then add your liquid to do this. So you want your plaster to be about the consistency of like a pancake batter.